15 Colorful Clarkia Flower Plants Identification. Welcome to our botanical journey through the vibrant world of Clarkia plants. Today, we'll explore some of the most captivating varieties. Let's begin with Clarkia amina aurora. Clarkia amina aurora is a cultivated variety cherished by gardeners for its stunning, double-layered flowers. Known for their sheer size and rich colors, these blossoms come in shades ranging from delicate pinks to vibrant reds and pristine whites. Gardeners adore aurora not only for its visual appeal, but also for its prolonged blooming season, making it a standout choice in any garden. Second is Clarkia amina, also known as Farewell to Spring. This species is renowned within the genus for its large, showy flowers. Petals gracefully span from pure white to deep red hues, attracting pollinators like butterflies and bees. Perfect for both wildflower enthusiasts and garden cultivators, Clarkia amina adds a splash of natural elegance wherever it blooms. Next up, we have Clarkia biloba or two-lobed Clarkia, distinguished by its unique two-lobed petals. Native to California, this species boasts charming, cup-shaped flowers in shades of pink to deep rose, a delightful addition to any mixed perennial border or cottage garden. Its resilience and beauty make Clarkia biloba a favorite among gardeners seeking both aesthetics and hardiness. Now, let's explore number 4 Clarkia botte. Honoring Swiss naturalist Polymele botta. This species enchants with its bright pink to reddish flowers, adorned with deeply lobed petals. Thriving in dry, sunny locales of California and Oregon, Clarkia botte blooms abundantly in the spring, a testament to its natural splendor. Its robust nature and vivid blooms make Clarkia botte a quintessential choice for those seeking to enrich their garden with native flora. Next, number 5 Clarkia brewerii or Brewer's Clarkia. Named after botanist William Henry Brewer, Clarkia brewerii captivates with its slender stems and clusters of petite, pink to purplish flowers. Found in open, sunlit habitats throughout California, this species is adored for its delicate appearance and ecological importance. Clarkia brewerii effortlessly enhances any garden with its understated charm and natural allure. Number 6 we encounter Clarkia consina. Distinguished by its slender, upright stems and dainty, pale pink to white blossoms. Flourishing in the spring and early summer months across California and Oregon, this species is prized for its graceful demeanor, a perfect fit for garden borders and wildflower meadows alike. Its delicate beauty and adaptability make Clarkia consina a must-have for nature enthusiasts seeking to harmonize with the seasons. Next, number 7 is Clarkia dudleyana or Dudley's Clarkia. Named in tribute to botanist William Russell Dudley, Clarkia dudleyana enchants with its fragile, lavender-tinted petals. Native to California, this species thrives in sun-drenched environments with well-drained soil, effortlessly blending into wildflower meadows and open spaces. Its gentle allure and ability to naturalize make Clarkia dudleyana an enduring symbol of natural beauty and resilience. Number 8 Clarkia franciscana or San Francisco Clarkia. Endemic to San Francisco and its surroundings, Clarkia franciscana graces the landscape with delicate, pink to purple blooms. Flourishing in sandy or rocky soils, this annual species holds significant ecological value, enriching native plant communities with its seasonal presence. Clarkia franciscana stands as a testament to local biodiversity and the enduring beauty of California's natural heritage. Next, number 9 we encounter Clarkia gracilis or elegant Clarkia. Featuring slender, branching stems adorned with petite, four-petaled flowers in shades of white, pink, and lavender. Native to California and Oregon, this species effortlessly enhances mixed wildflower plantings with its delicate yet vibrant presence. Its subtle elegance and versatility make Clarkia gracilis a beloved choice among gardeners seeking to cultivate harmonious, natural landscapes. Number 10. Clarkia pulchella or pink fairies. Clarkia pulchella, commonly known as pink fairies. This California native species charms with its delicate, pale pink to magenta flowers. Standing up to 2 feet tall, Clarkia pulchella is celebrated for its ability to thrive in various soil types, making it a favorite for naturalizing in wildflower settings. Its graceful appearance and adaptability make it a delightful addition to any garden seeking a touch of natural beauty. Next, number 11, we encounter Clarkia purpurea, also known as purple Clarkia. Native to California and Oregon, this species graces open woodlands and coastal scrub with its slender stems and striking deep purple to violet flowers. Blooming from spring into early summer, Clarkia purpurea attracts pollinators and adds a vibrant splash of color to native plant gardens. Its ecological importance and aesthetic appeal make it a cornerstone of native plant landscapes. Number 12 is Clarkia rhomboidea or diamond Clarkia, recognized for its diamond-shaped leaves and bright pink flowers. Native to the western United States, this annual plant thrives in dry, rocky soils, blooming from late spring through midsummer. Ideal for xeriscape gardens, Clarkia rhomboidea adds a burst of color and texture to landscapes designed for water conservation. Now, number 13 is Clarkia tenella, affectionately known as small Clarkia. Native to California, this species delicately graces moist, shaded areas with its pale pink to lavender flowers. Blooming from late spring to early summer, Clarkia tenella thrives in woodland garden settings. Its subtle beauty and ability to thrive in shaded environments make it a sought-after choice for creating serene garden retreats. Turning our attention to number 14, Clarkia unguiculata or mountain garland, we admire its bright pink to purplish flowers. Native to sunny locations in California, this species flourishes in well-drained soil, its cup-shaped blooms providing a profusion of color during the spring and early summer months. A popular choice for gardeners seeking vibrant, low-maintenance plants to enhance sunny landscapes. Lastly, we celebrate Clarkia zanchiana, the Antelope Valley Clarkia, native to California's Antelope Valley region. Sporting pale pink to lavender flowers, this species thrives in sunny, dry habitats, blooming from late spring to early summer. Clarkia zanchiana plays a crucial role in local biodiversity conservation efforts, embodying the resilience and beauty of California's native flora. From the delicate hues of Amina aurora to the vibrant allure of purple Clarkia and the resilient charm of diamond Clarkia to the subtle beauty of small Clarkia, each species within the genus Clarkia paints a unique canvas of color and ecological significance. Thanks for watching.